Hello and welcome to another Salesforce tutorial video. My name is Elijah Wendell and I will be your Salesforce administrator, and today we will be talking about the new market update report. So let's start off by talking about what is a market update report. Basically, it is just a record of your activities over the past 7 days, and this automatically will be sent to your manager or a sales operations representative. The way it works is that every Wednesday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, whatever activities you've added to your report will get sent to your manager automatically, and your report will refresh and be blank again. So how does this market update report actually help out? What's the value add? The market update report was designed for one reason, and that's to save you time. Right now, you're going into Salesforce, you're recording your activities, then you're leaving Salesforce and you're going into Excel or Word or somewhere else, and you are recording the same activities again, and then you're sending that to your manager. Well, now all you have to do is check a box. You don't have to build a report. You don't have to use multiple programs. It's all done right inside of Salesforce when you record your activities. So let's take a look at where the report is and how it works. So when you open up Salesforce, you're going to see your home page, which will look similar to this, not exactly like this. And if you'll notice up here where these tabs are, there's going to be a new one, and it's going to be called Market Update. And this is where your Market Update report lives. So anytime you add on your Market Update report, you can come to this tab, click on it, and you will see the activities that you have logged for that week. So how do I add something here? So there are 3 ways to add something to your Market Update report. Let's go over some of these. So the first one, when you're in an account or you're in a contact page and you want to log a call or a task or an event in your activity center over here, when you go to recap your call, everything it looks exactly the same as it always has. The only difference is you have this add to market report and a little checkbox. And when that box is checked, that's when it's going to show up under your market update report. Let's talk about the categories. So the categories are the same as they are right now, the same categories that you use manually. They're exactly the same. But we have added a few different ones. So let's go over which categories are available. First, we have competitive information. We have internal, pricing and marketing trends, significant wins and losses, solutions, business development, office supplies channel, significant opportunities in development, marketing, and additional comments. So when you log a call, be sure and select which of these categories that call, task, or event falls into. So just pick the best one that you think it falls into, and that's all you need to do. So let's just go ahead and add a test call here. We'll save that, and it is checked, so it should show up in my market update report. Let's do the same thing for a task. Let's just say test. Let's click our checkbox there, give it a category, random category. Let's put a due date on it. All right, and let's do an event. Why not? Another test, and check the box. Give it some category here, description, test event. I like it. You can add locations if you want. I don't really need to, so we're going to click Save. All right, now if we go back and we click on our Market Update tab here, we can see the 3 things that I just added. The call, the task, and the event, they're all right there. So my manager, they're going to see all this activity right here. And remember, the report goes out at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday. So after Wednesday, this will be blank again. After Wednesday at 5 p.m., none of these 3 will be showing up. And also, at 5 p.m. on Wednesday, I am going to get an email with my report in it. So I'll be able to see exactly what I have listed for that week. So let's go into a contact page and let's see what it's like from the contacts view. Let's see here. There we go. Okay, so it's the same thing. Down here in your activity center, you can log a call, a task, or an event. And anytime, I just got off the phone with Lauren. All right, let me add that to my market report so that my manager knows that I've been talking with her. Let's just go ahead and save that. Excellent. So now when I go to my market update, Oh yeah, there it is. So now we have another call logged into it. So that's all you got to do is check the box, and it's going to add on to your report. Now let's talk about the other two ways, really briefly, that you can add things to this report. There's always the global actions up here. That is the plus sign in the top right corner, and if you hold your mouse on it long enough, it'll say global actions. When you click on that and you just log a call, you can do it that way. The checkbox is still there. Or you can click on one of these buttons here, new task, new event. You just click on that, fill out the information, make sure the checkbox is checked, and it will show up on your report. So let's say that I've done all this, it's right before 5 on a Wednesday, and I decided, you know what, I don't really want I don't really need this event on here. So how can I get this off of my report? I don't want this to show on my report. Well, that's simple. All you got to do is come over here to the DEL, the delete right there, and when you click it, it's going to say, hey, we're going to delete this off of your report. Is that what you want? Click the OK button, and it's gone. And the same thing if you need to edit anything. So up here on this call that has tied to the test account, I said the description was test. Okay, well I need to add a little bit more than that. So I'm going to come down here, click the edit button, and say this is a test. A little bit more information there. So I'm going to save that, and when I save that and I refresh my market update report, there it is. This is a test. So to do that, you just click on the delete here. The edit here. So you can delete things off your report. You can edit things on your report. And that should cover everything about the market update report. We all know how to put things on it, how to take things off, how to edit what is on here. I'll say it one more time just for everybody's sake. 5 p.m. Wednesdays, that's when your report will refresh. So everything on your report will disappear. You'll get an email of all that was on it, and your manager will get a copy as well. And then you'll have a blank slate to start on for the next week. Well, that's all I have for you and for this video, so I hope it helps, and I'll see you next time.